How to make a logo in Canva for beginners. Step 1. Click on the custom size option at the top right. Set the width to 5000 and the height to 5000. Make sure the unit is set to pixels. Let's imagine we are designing a logo for a luxury watch brand. Now, give your project a name at the top where it says Untitled Design, for example, watch brand logo. This white canvas is where we will make the logo and click Add Page to add more and delete using the trash icon. The simplest way to make a logo is to go to the Elements option, type Watch in the search bar, then click on Graphics. Here you will find watch-related icons. Among all these options, the ones marked Pro are paid, and the rest are free to use. These pink guidelines help you align your design to the center. The selection box has small circles on the corners. With the help of these, you can resize the graphic. Below the rectangle, there is a circular arrow icon. Use it to rotate the graphic. Now, to change the color, click on the watch. At the top, you'll see a color box and choose any color you like. Now I want to add some lines. So go to the Elements option again, search for Line, and here you'll find many lines. To move the line, simply click on it and drag it to the desired position. Line is quite thin, I want it a bit thicker. Click on the line, and at the top left, you'll see an icon with 3 lines. That's the stroke style option. Click on it, and from there, you can increase the thickness of the line. Now, let's write a brand name. I'm going to click on Text, and here you'll find the option Add a text box. Click on it. Drag the text box using the plus type icon that appears along with the Rotate tool. Now, write any name that you think of for your brand, just like I thought of Tycon for my watch brand. Now, how will you increase or decrease the size? First, select your text. At the top, you'll see the font size option. Click on it. I'm going to choose 200. Now select your brand name text. At the top, you'll see the font style option. Click on it and choose any font style you like. And if you want to change the text color, go to the top and click on the A. Then, just like before, click on the plus button. Now you can choose any color you want. Now select the entire logo along with the brand name and press Ctrl+G to group them together. Now, let's create the next watch brand logo. First, copy the brand name by selecting the text and pressing Ctrl+C, then paste it on the next page. Select the text, then go to the top left where it shows the font size. It's 200 now. I'll change it to 500 to make the text bigger. Now, I think I'll use a circular watch instead of a letter O in my second logo design. So again, I'll go to the Elements option and type Watch in the search bar. Then, I'll click on Graphics. This time, I'm looking for a wall clock design so I can use it in place of the O alphabet. If you want to bring the watch layer above the text layer, just click on the watch, then right-click on it. From the options that appear, click on Bring to Front. This will move the watch above the text. Now, to start the next logo design, I'll add a new page. Now, let's create the next watch brand logo. First, copy the brand name by selecting the text and pressing Ctrl+C, then paste it on the next page.